In a small village nestled near a vast forest, there lived a curious boy named Sam. Sam loved exploring and often wandered off in search of new adventures. One sunny morning, he heard an old man in the village speak of a magical cave hidden deep within the forest. It was said to grant wishes to those who entered. With a pure heart, Sam's imagination ran wild. He packed a small bag with food and water, determined to find the magical cave. "This will be my greatest adventure yet," he thought. The forest was dense and dark, but Sam's determination lit his path. Hours passed as he followed the clues from the old man's story. Finally, he reached a glowing entrance covered with ivy. The cave shimmered with light from glowing crystals hanging like chandeliers. Sam stepped in cautiously, his heart pounding with excitement and a hint of fear. Inside, a booming voice echoed, "Welcome, young traveler. If you seek your wish, prove your kindness and courage." Sam froze, unsure of what to do. Suddenly, a trapped bird flapped frantically in the corner of the cave. Sam approached gently, freeing the bird from a tangled vine. The bird chirped and flew away. The voice returned, "You have shown kindness, now show courage." The cave began to shake, and rocks blocked the exit. Sam took a deep breath, looking for another way out. He noticed a narrow path leading deeper into the cave. Despite his fear, he trusted his instincts and followed it. The path ended in a chamber with a glowing pool of water. The water rippled, and an image of his village appeared. It reminded Sam of his family and the people he loved. "My wish is to help my village," he whispered. The voice said, "Your wish is selfless. It shall be granted." The water glowed brighter, and the rocks blocking the exit dissolved into dust. Sam stepped out of the cave, and the forest seemed more vibrant than ever. He felt a newfound strength, and a bag of golden seeds appeared in his hand. When Sam returned to the village, he planted the seeds. They grew into trees laden with fruit that never spoiled, providing endless food for the villagers. The villagers celebrated Sam's bravery and kindness. The old man smiled knowingly, saying, "The magical cave rewards those with pure intentions." Sam became the village's hero, but always reminded others, "The greatest magic is kindness and courage, and it lives within us all." True magic lies in kindness, courage, and selflessness. When we act with a pure heart, wonderful things happen. Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.